Ori Kit. A group of Turkish designers have created the Ori Kit, a unique set of cooking utensils. The main feature is that it's the world's first origami set. All tools in their original shape look like flat polygonal sheets from a relatively soft material that folds during use. The Ori Kit includes 4 utensils: a funnel, a spatula, a set of measuring spoons, and a mini colander. Each of the elements is made of silicon and Teflon and can withstand temperatures of up to 260 degrees Celsius, so you don't have to worry about the safety of the devices if you cook at high temperatures. It should be noted that all items are flat, which significantly saves space in the kitchen. The developers also point out that the Ori utensils help to consume products more economically, since the special design of the objects facilitates the elimination of leftover food. You can buy this origami set for $32. Sous vide. This multifunctional kitchen device can prepare several high-quality dishes at the same time, without the presence of a person in the house. The device prepares food using the sous vide technique. This method allows products to be prepared in such a way as to maintain the maximum number of vitamins and microelements. When cooking, the food is placed in sealed vacuum bags. The kitchen robotic machine can be controlled through the integrated panel or through a special mobile application. The first thing you should do is place the products in special compartments and then add water to the internal tank. The device's cooling system works in the same way as conventional refrigerators, but the products cool only for the time specified by the user. When this period ends, the water used to conserve the products begins to heat up. It should be noted that when the user indicates the dish to be prepared in each compartment, the robotic device independently analyzes the preparation time. If special bags for the food are used, the robot automatically analyzes the contents and chooses the preparation mode. The manufacturer guarantees precise calculations that ensure perfect and timely preparation. According to preliminary estimates, the sous vide can save up to 6 hours a week, which is what the user spends cooking. Another advantage of the device is that it's easy to clean. As most products are prepared in disposable containers, just rinse the tanks with water and detergent. If products are prepared outside of the package, the stainless steel containers can be placed in the dishwasher. Sous vide can prepare dinner for the whole family, for example, dinner for 4 adults. Cooking options include 10,000 recipes, including all types of products for a whole meal. In addition, each process can be adjusted to your own preferences. The cost of the kitchen robot is $650 on the official website. Perfect. Professional chefs are sure that the thermometer is one of the most important tools in modern cuisine. It's used not only for cooking meat and fish, but also for sauces, desserts, pastry, bread, etc. The perfect thermometer combines all the necessary functions and has a number of advantages over other similar devices. First of all, it's very thin, which means that it doesn't leave big holes in the product. Secondly, perfect is distinguished by its high precision. And thirdly, it works very quickly, showing results in less than a couple of seconds. In addition, the thermometer can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can buy this indispensable cooking device for $80. ROTIMATIC. ROTIMATIC is the first robot in the world to bake the traditional unleavened Indian bread known as roti. The recipe for roti bread is quite simple. The spices, water, flour and oil must be mixed in perfect proportions. The dough is then spread out and put into the oven, heating to a certain temperature. Although automation of this process with the help of a robot may seem strange, the ROTIMATIC is a truly unique device. The robot can bake roti bread perfectly, and with little or no human intervention, at a speed of 1 roti per minute, much faster than the manual preparation process. The weight of the device is 17 kilograms, and the dimensions are 40 centimeters cubed. Visually, the ROTIMATIC looks like a big bread maker. The kitchen device contains 10 motors, 15 sensors and 300 parts. It's worth noting that this is the world's first fully automated roti making device. In addition, the developers say that they'll eventually add other recipes to the device. The ROTIMATIC is priced at $1,000 worldwide. Trivet. The Trivet multifunctional stand will appeal to all cooks who appreciate their time and space in the kitchen. With this practical device, you can solve many problems that arise during the preparation of different dishes. In fact, Trivet is only a support for plates or flat objects. But the main advantage of the stand is its flexible design. The shape and position of the Trivet can be changed according to the needs of the user at the given time. For example, it can be an excellent support for dishes you've just washed, for a hot lid or pan, as well as for a cutting board. And the diameter of the plate doesn't matter. Trivet can also be used as a flat support for dishes that have just been removed from the fire or the freshly boiled teapot. It should be noted that the position of the device is changed without major effort, as everything is carried out with a few simple movements. The stand is available in 4 colours and will cost potential buyers $40 on the manufacturer's official website. Veggiedare. The small Veggiedare device is a convenient garden that can be placed directly in the kitchen. Thanks to its size, the Veggiedare easily adapts to any kitchen cabinet with a depth of 60 centimeters. The device allows to plant up to 16 different plants simultaneously and can therefore fully satisfy the needs of the entire family. According to the creators, with this device you can grow almost all the leafy vegetables and aromatic herbs, as well as some fruits and mini vegetables, such as cherry tomatoes. For example, the basic set of seeds consists of 9 different plants, including basil, onion, mint, parsley and mini tomatoes, but Veggiedare works with other crops that can be purchased separately. It's worth noting that Veggiedare is an open system, so developers give users the opportunity to experiment. Another advantage of this device is the freshness of the cultivated products. According to research by scientists at the University of California, plants begin to lose nutrients during the first few days after harvest, but Veggiedare owners can rest assured that all cultivated plants will arrive at the table as fresh as possible, regardless of the time of year. You can buy the basic garden for $230.